Hi everyone, so today I'm showing you the alocasia black velvet plant. So recently I went on a trip to the mountains, and from there I got this sapling from a roadside. You can see, don't mind the flower, it's a alamanda flower just blooming right next to this. So temporarily I have kept the plant in water because I have just bought it and it has suffered during the journey. You can see there is a tiny leaf also growing. This is the alocasia black velvet, and I just had an idea after sitting for water in 2 days. It has been growing good. The leaves are fresh now, so I decided to shift it to this one. So this is a old aquarium container, like water container. So I decided to pot it in this one. I'll clean this up first. It has been laying around like this for a long time. So after that I will show you how the plant is looking. So I have cleaned the pot thoroughly. There's a little crack, so that's why I did not use it anymore. I kept some syngoniums in this earlier, but now I can use it for this plant. I think it will grow perfectly well. First we have taken some normal garden soil, a little bit of it, and next I am going to take some leaf compost. It is good in nutrients. Just a little bit of it because it's not a very big plant, so just around that. I'm going to add some coco peat because it requires moist soil, so the coco peat will keep it moist. Around 2 times I'm adding this coco peat. Next I'm taking little bit of vermicompost because vermicompost is organic compost, so little bit of it will do. And last ingredient which I'm adding is perlite. Perlite will keep the soil very light and it will not let the soil go heavy, as these are mountain plants and it requires a light mixture, airy mixture. So you can see the composition has become very light and it is not heavy at all. So next I'm going to repot the plants. I will show you also the root system once I'm doing the repotting. So for the base, as there is no drainage hole in this and there is just one crack, you can see over here, so we need to make the soil, the base, something like which will not rot the root system. So I'm going to add some small pebbles like this on the base of this, as it will create a strong base for the plant and the roots will not rot. I'm adding it slowly because this is a very thin glass pot. It will break easily. So it's somewhat like this. Next we are adding the soil. Can you see how light the soil mix is? I have not added sand because sand will keep the soil dry, and we don't need it dry because this is a humid plant which loves humid weather. So now I'm going to show you the root system in this. When I was picking up the plant, it got some moss also along with it, so I have not cleaned it. You can see the roots over here, and also some new roots have developed in this part. As you can see, there is some moss along with this, and there is some grass also. I'm going to keep this. I'm not removing this. It will decay over the period of time. I don't normally remove like this. So over here you can also see the rhizome. I think it is already looking so beautiful. Looks perfect. So now I'm just going to fill this up properly. I don't want to spoil the greenery, the moss, because it will also keep the plant dry. Sorry, keep the plant moist. But you know, if I have to plant this, I have to. But I think this will do. I like it kind of off center. It is not in the center. I'm kind of liking it. I think I will have to make a little bit of a more pot mix. This is maybe a little bit less. So this is somewhat like a vivarium, I think. Still there are some gaps. So I've got to push it to the side to fill it up. Just even it out. I have to tap it a little bit so that it spreads evenly like this. And just clean up the pot, and then I'll show you the final result. So how do you think this is looking after the final repotting? And here is the result. The leaves are a bit droopy. This leaf was damaged during transport. I was carrying this plant in a small carry bag actually. So these two leaves are perfect, and this one is a small one coming. So I hope this survives in this weather. And you can see I have made the pot almost moist. It is not soggy, just moist. So just hope for the best. I will update you on the nasturtium cutting which I have planted, and okay, I'll keep you posted about the plant.